unboxing of a Powerhouse, Powerhouse battery charger. I got this battery charger because the other one that I got is so small you can fit it in your pocket, and it don't work the way it's supposed to. It works, but the connection goes out and you got to start it over. I don't know what's wrong with it. Anyway, so I got this one. It goes to show buy good the first time. Now I'm not only out the money for this one, I'm out the money for that other one that I don't like.
No, you pay 1,000 on the much you pay the other one?
But I didn't have this choice the last time. But I got this choice now.
No, you pay 1,000 on the other one, right? Right? No, you lose 1,000.
It works. This one here is a normal battery charger. It's better. This Powerhouse stuff's really good. I've ordered and bought Powerhouse and Power Crap stuff before both. Both seem to be good products. The only thing I worry about when I order stuff like this is it gets abused during the delivery process. But if it don't get abused during the delivery process, it's fine. Let's put that thing off and get out of here. So time to open it. Try not to take too long opening these boxes. Make these unboxings as painless as possible. And here it is. Really nice looking. Look at that. You ever see a piece of foam that looks that good? I'm keeping this foam and using that on my felt work.
I want it. Don't break it.
No, you're not. That's my felt stuff.
Don't break it, huh?
And here it is. There's a normal piece of styrofoam there at the bottom.
Don't throw it also. You can use it.
I can't use that one.
You can put the under
box. And here is
the manual that he don't need.
And here is the Powerhouse battery charger.
Very nice charger.
Very nice. This battery charger is not only 12 volt, this is also 24 volt. So you can switch the power from 12 volt to 24 volt. Here's your clips. You can see the clips are really good.
The alligator clips.
And you can tell by the colors of the different connectivity. So you got your, this is your protective thing. If something happens that don't work, push it and start working again. Here's your 3 amp thing. There's your fuse. So if something happens to this, the fuse will kick out, save your machine. Here's minimum charge, maximum charge. Here's your 12 volt and your 24 volt.
Oh, it's 2 ways battery.
And here's your meter, tell you what's going on. And this battery charger is, and I'll actually, after you see the the battery charger I got that I ordered before, you see why I ordered this one. It fits in this box. And here it is. Look at it. That's it. That's the 12 volt battery charger I ordered before.
Chinese.
And these are not the cables that come with it. The cables that come with it rusted out or corroded off. And they were smaller than these. They're actually smaller than these. And they corroded off, and I had to buy these to put back on this. And this one works, and these lights flash 1, 2, 3, 4 when it's working. But all of a sudden it'll stop, and you have to unhook this and hook it back up. It'll start again, then it'll stop. About 5 minutes later, you got to do it again. But sometimes it'll run non-stop. So I don't know what the hell is wrong with it. But these things, see, look at that. Made a mistake ordering that. But it still works. It still works when you can get it to work right. So I figured I'm going to have to get something that's good, something that's better, and this is also 12 and 24 volt also. So so that's good. So
Which way?
anyway, there is the
I want to check it out.
opening on the powerhouse battery charger. So what I'll have to do now is wait till I'm ready to either charge the battery or derust something with electrolysis, and then try it out. Right now it's going to go find its place in my workshop, because I'm not going to put it in a box, lay it nowhere, because it's going to be used quite a bit. It's not just going to be used for charging batteries. It's going to be used for electrolysis to remove rust off of things, and if I ever get to the point where it is not going to be used for a little while, I will put a cover over it. I will put a cover over it. Well, anyway, here it is. And that's the review for the unboxing rather. It's not a... So this is it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time for another unboxing if I get something worthy of unboxing. I also got Gorilla Glue this morning, and I also got Gorilla Glue and the normal Gorilla Super Glue. But who wants to see that, right?